In several of the videos in this section, I talk about point testing, and often this is done quite quickly, and I don't want you to be confused. Therefore, I've devoted this video to explaining point testing in detail. Consider the graph where we have the line 2x plus 3y equals 6. Every single point on the line will satisfy this equation. What do I mean by that? Consider this point here, the point 3, 0. At this point, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 0. Let's substitute this into the equation. We have 2x plus 3y. If x is 3 and y is 0, that's 2 times 3 plus 3 times 0, which is 6 plus 0, which is 6. Note the equation is 2x plus 3y equals 6, and if we use x is 3 and y is 0, 2x plus 3y does give us 6. It's important because this point is on the line, so must satisfy the equation. Let's try some other points on the line. Here we have the point 0, 2. X is 0, y is 2. So 2x plus 3y will become 2 times 0 plus 3 times 2, which is 0 plus 6, which is 6. Once again, this satisfies the equation of the line. Here we have the point minus 3, 4. X is minus 3, y is 4. So 2x plus 3y will become 2 times minus 3 plus 3 times 4. This is minus 6 plus 12, which is 6. So once again, this satisfies the equation of the line. Every point on the line, if tested, would give us 6 when we evaluate 2 times x plus 3 times y. Now let's consider 2x plus 3y is less than 6. We know that the line is 2x plus 3y equals 6. One side of the line must be 2x plus 3y is less than 6. The question is, which side? To check, we can do a point test. Let's take this point here. This is the point minus 2, 1, so x is minus 2 and y is 1. Substitute in 2x plus 3y. This time is going to be 2 times minus 2 plus 3 times 1. This gives us minus 4 plus 3, which is minus 1, and this is less than 6. It follows that the region on the same side of this point must be the region 2x plus 3y is less than 6. Any point in this side will satisfy the inequality. Take another point to illustrate, minus 4, 3. 2x plus 3y will be 2 times minus 4 plus 3 times 3. This is minus 8 plus 9, which is 1, which is also less than 6. So any point on this side of the line is in the region 2x plus 3y is less than 6. Now consider a point on the other side of the line. Let's take the point 1, 4. Substitute into 2x plus 3y. This gives us 2 times 1 plus 3 times 4, which is 2 plus 12, which is 14, and 14 is more than 6. So in this region, when we substitute the points into 2x plus 3y, the result is greater than 6, and therefore the line is where 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. This side of the line is where 2x plus 3y is less than 6, and the other side of the line is where 2x plus 3y is greater than 6. So we can always tell a region by testing a point in that region.